The Q6 calls out to the multimedia fans with its 5.5-inch full-vision display that pushes away bezels in favor for more screen real estate. Unlike most phones, this one has an 18:9 display that runs at 2160 by 1080, and odd resolution thanks to the odd aspect ratio. All this means is that it's literally twice as tall as it is wide. While this doesn't impact general use all that much, the extra bit of screen gain makes watching movies and playing games a bit more immersive on the Q6, as it did on the G6. Speaking on the screen's quality, its LCD is plenty detailed, vibrant and plenty bright, though sometimes to the point where the colors look washed out and the lighting can be harsh on the eyes. Moving to the cameras, LG's 13MP single rear-facing sensor is shockingly capable in the right hands, and in favorable lighting conditions. LG's camera app is fast to boot from the lock screen, and though it doesn't always produce great results, it's one of the better mid-range cameras out there. While most of the heavy lifting is performed by the larger sensor, the front-facing camera is no slouch. At 5MP, the detail presented in each photo isn't astounding, but being able to swap between regular and wide-angle presentation is an awesome perk that LG loves to stick in its phones. Adding to this, LG's camera software continues to be among the best, if not the best, around. From filters to the simple user interface and innovative dual capture that staples two squared-off images together, creators will have a blast here. Further down in the review, you can check out a growing collection of photo samples that show off the highs and lows of this phone's capabilities. All said, the Q6 won't replace your point-and-shoot or your flagship smartphone camera. But if your expectations are checked, this phone will impress.